Hello my dear traders, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I have a very interesting video because today I'm going to show you the whole process of replenishing account as well as how I withdraw my funds from Quotex platform. So first of all, I plan to show you how I replenish my account, and then we are going to trade with you a bit, and if I will have some funds, if I will increase my deposit, only then I will be able to show you the process of how I withdraw my funds. Why do I do that? Because I got so many questions about that and I decided to film for you such a tutorial step by step where you will see how I do everything, so perhaps you will not have any difficulties or problems in the future. This is all for you guys, and let's get started. So guys, let's get started. In order to replenish the deposit, we click on the green deposit button in the upper right corner. After that, we get to the next menu, and as you can see here are different ways to replenish the account. Also a large selection of cryptocurrencies. Guys, you can choose for yourself a convenient way that is suitable for you. For today, I will use the method of Binance Pay. Therefore, I click on this method. After that, we will be taken to the next menu. And here on the left side, you will see the maximum and minimum amount of funds that can be added using this payment method. You can make a payment within this range in a single transaction. Now in this line, you need to enter the amount you want to deposit. Today, I will deposit 500. Therefore, I will enter this amount here. Additionally, on the right side, you can use the bonus funds. Guys, this means that when you deposit a certain amount, you will receive a bonus. It depends on what kind of amount you will get, from 20% to 35%, and if you wish, you can use this service, guys. However, I will not use the bonus funds and we will continue to make deposits as usual. So now I'm clicking the blue deposit button, and so now the pages will load. Okay guys, great. As you can see, the amount is 500 USDT. This is the amount that we specified when replenishing the account. There is also a QR code on the right side. It is with the help of this QR code that we will be able to make a transaction. Okay, now I need to use my mobile phone. I'm logging into the Binance app and I'm going to authenticate with my fingerprint. Okay guys, now we need to click on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen. Then we click on the QR code, the scanner in the top right corner. Okay, the camera will turn on and we will point at the QR code. Guys, the information will be automatically read, and all you need to do is confirm the transaction. Everything happens automatically. Now everything will be loaded. We will wait a little. Okay, we need to confirm this transaction. I put my finger on the fingerprint scanner. Okay guys, let's wait a little. And here we go. As you can see, the payment for $500 has been made. This transaction has been successfully completed. Well, that's great. Now let's go back. Guys, we will click on the trade button. The page will load in 1 second. Okay, as you can see, I already have $500 in my deposit. This amount is fully ready for trading, and as you can see, it is not difficult to replenish your account. The process is straightforward and understandable. So guys, now let's start our trading session and we will find several deals. So give me some time and we will continue. So guys, here at the top we have a resistance level. We see that the price has already touched this level several times before. Also, we see that at the moment there is an upward trend. The price is approaching our level, guys. Also, there is still room before the resistance level. So I suggest in this situation to open a deal with a margin for 3 minutes to go up on the uptrend, guys. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level, as we can see that the price has a good potential for an upward movement. We will try to make money on this upward movement, guys. At the same time, I took a 3-minute time frame with a margin of safety, considering the possibility of consolidation and downward rollback. As you can imagine, even during upward movements, such a situation can happen. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Do you want to join my private chat? Don't forget to text me code word signal. So guys, as you can see, the price continued to move upwards. There was also an impulsive rollback downwards, but we still got profit. So the closing point of our deal turned out to be higher than the opening point. Guys, we managed to earn here, and now we will continue our trading. So I suggest to open the next deal here, guys. So let's go with you again, up for 3 minutes, also on the uptrend. I still think that the price is more likely to continue moving towards the level. We can also see that there's still room for the level, so I hope that 3 minutes will be enough in this situation, guys, even take into account possibility of consolidation or downward rollback. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. 40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that. So guys, it's not bad at all. The price really continued to move towards the level, and we got a profit here. 3 minutes was just enough for us here. Guys, it's an amazing result. So let's continue our trading session. Okay, so here at the top we have a certain resistance level. Also, we see with you that after touching this level, there was a rollback down, and now after the pullback, the price has stopped. So there is a certain reversal. Green candles are beginning to form. So guys, in this situation, it's just opening a 2-minute uptrend deal. At the same time, we can see that the main price lows are getting higher. This means that the overall price potential is predominantly upward. It's more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level in the near future. So it's on this upward movement that we will try to earn money. And guys, we have a very little space left before the level. So let's wait for the end of our deal. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. So guys, that's a dangerous moment. There was a rollback down, but still the closing point of our deal was higher than the opening point. This means that we got a profit, we still managed to earn. Well, on this, I suggest to finish our trading. And guys, on the deposit, I have already over $3,000. So I managed to earn today, and that's why I think we are going to make a withdrawal request. So click on the withdrawal button in the top right corner. Then we will be taken to the following menu. In this line, we need to select the method we want to use for withdrawing funds. I will choose Binance Pay. Now, in this line, we need to enter the amount we want to withdraw. I will be making a withdrawal request of $3,020. Therefore, I will enter this amount here. Then, in the next two lines, my name is displayed. Next, we open the next line. Here, we need to select either the Binance account ID or Binance account email. I chose the Binance account email. The next line appears. Here we need to insert this very email account Binance. Now, 1 second, I will fill in all the necessary information. Also, of course, guys, all my personal data I will hide for my financial security. Okay, guys, now we can click the button confirm, and as you can see, our application has been accepted into work, and this means that in the near future it will be reviewed by the financial department of the platform, Quotex platform. After that, this amount will be credited to my Binance platform. Now we just need to wait for this moment, and as soon as the funds will be credited on my Binance platform, I will show you how and where they were credited. Guys, as you can see, it's not complicated, it's quite simple. So guys, now we are on the Binance page. The funds have already been received on my account, and now I'll show you where they were credited. Okay, let's go to this menu for this, then we will select the transaction history. Okay, 1 second, guys, the page is loading. And here we go. So now we are selecting the payment history. And here it is, guys, in the top, the most recent transaction. Let's take a closer look and click on the details button. As you can see, there was a deposit of 3020 USDT. It took just under 7 hours from the time the request was made on the Quotex platform to the time the funds were deposited on the Binance platform. And as you can see, guys, the funds have arrived in full, so at the same time I didn't have any problems. Guys, the Quotex platform always pays out the earned money without any problems. My dear traders, so today we had a very interesting session because I was able to increase my deposit. That's why you will be able to see how I did everything from the beginning till the end. And I hope that now it's more clear for you, and as you can see, it's totally safe to withdraw your funds from this platform. And if you still have some questions, you can leave them down below. Also, my dear traders, for new traders, for those who doesn't feel confident yet, guys, I have a closed community where I share my tips and as well as trading signals. So guys, if you want to join us, our closed community, our private community, what you should do is just text me a code word signal on my Telegram. The link will be down below. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put a big thumbs up if it was useful video for you, and as well as don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. Guys, we are going to have soon more interesting strategies and more interesting market situations. So stay tuned for my new videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.